How to allow access to photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. From here, you can control which apps can access your data, location, camera, and microphone, and also manage protections. Scroll down and go to Photos as shown. Here, you can view all the apps and if they have access to the photo library. Find any app that does not have access to photo and tap on it. For example, Botim. If you want to allow access to photos, then select Full Access in the Photo Library Access section. Now, tap on Allow Full Access. You can repeat this to allow photos access to all the other apps as well. Following these steps, you can easily allow access to photos on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.